In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workspace URL on Slack. If you need to share your Slack workspace with someone, sign in from another device, or just confirm the exact workspace address you're using, this is a very quick process. The good news is that you can find it directly from inside Slack in just a moment. Start by opening Slack and making sure you're inside the correct workspace. If you belong to multiple workspaces, take an extra second here to confirm you're viewing the one you want, since each workspace has its own unique URL. Once you're in the right place, look toward the area where your workspace name appears. Next to the workspace name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that drop-down beside your workspace name. This opens the workspace menu where Slack shows more details and options related to the workspace you're currently using. After opening that menu, navigate to the URL shown for the workspace. That displayed address is your Slack workspace URL. This is the link that identifies your workspace, and it's the one you would typically use when accessing that workspace through a browser or when sharing the workspace address with someone who needs it. In many cases, the workspace URL follows Slack's standard format and includes the unique name of the workspace, so it's usually easy to recognize once you see it. As a quick tip, make sure you copy the full workspace URL exactly as it appears if you plan to save it or send it to someone. Even a small mistake in the address can make it harder to access the correct workspace later. It's also a good idea to double check that you are sharing only the workspace link and not any private internal information from your Slack account. And that's all there is to it. To find your workspace URL on Slack, click the drop-down beside your workspace name, then look for the workspace URL in the menu. Once you spot it, you've found the address you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you. Quickly locate your Slack workspace URL with confidence.